my name's Dr. Cummings and I'm a veterinarian here at the Marion Animal Hospital. Today we're going to discuss dental health in dogs. What I want to go over today is how to brush your dog's teeth, because it's a common question that we hear from clients. The important thing about brushing the teeth is to know that dogs obviously do not brush their own teeth. And so sort of that fuzzy feeling that we get on our own teeth when we don't brush them, that's plaque. And when plaque sits on the teeth for more than 48 hours, it can easily turn into tartar, which is probably the brown staining that you see on your own dog's teeth. That's full of bacteria and can seed up into the gums and cause many problems in the mouth, which is both gross and uncomfortable for the dog. And I'm going to go over a few easy steps to make brushing a little easier on your dog. So today we have a special guest, Bonnie, a Basset Hound, and she's going to be our example. And this is Danielle, our technician. So we sell these great little toothbrushes here at the hospital, and we sell some really great toothpaste, CET toothpaste, that helps to break down the tartar, but also helps with the plaque on the teeth as well. So what I usually tell owners is, like I said, don't go right in and start trying to do the whole mouth at once. You'll really frighten the dog and probably just annoy them. The toothpaste is beef flavored. They also have chicken flavor. And usually I just put a little on the toothbrush and see if the dog will lick it as a treat. Bonnie is not a fan of this toothpaste, but sometimes they will enjoy it as a treat. You want to try it? So once they get a taste for it, what I usually recommend is give a day a rest, and then the next day start by brushing one tooth. And probably the easiest tooth to brush is what we call the canine. It's the big tooth in front. The important thing to know is you don't need to do the inside of the mouth. The tongue does a lot of the brushing for them. What you do need to do is the outside of the mouth. So what we usually do is we lift up one lip, and you can see that tooth there, and just do a little brush. There we go. A lot of times the dog will try to lick it, and you can do a little on the gum line, but you don't need to do the gums themselves, just the tooth, just to get that plaque off. And then I'll tell owners, give it a rest. You did one tooth, that's better than nothing. The next day go, and we can try the other tooth on the other side. And just a little brush, like so. Good girl, Bonnie. A lot of times it helps if you give them treats throughout the process as well. Make this a positive experience, not a frightening experience. As time goes on, we're going to work our way and do the whole mouth. And so Bonnie is being such a good patient. Again, you want to just lift up the lip and just do a few brushes on each tooth that you can see. And again, the dog usually will just lick it off. Good girl. So with that, I think you get the point on how you can work your way up to brushing your whole dog's mouth. It's also something I recommend for cats if they'll let you, but again, you may have to really take your time and ease them into the process. We also have some great products that we sell up in the front of the hospital, which make brushing, if brushing is too difficult, these may be a different option, but you can also use it while brushing. Another thing to talk about is doing a dental on your dog. Brushing the teeth is something that you can do to sort of help put off doing a dental, but sometimes if the tartar is too much on the teeth and it's causing some problems in the mouth, your veterinarian may recommend doing a dental. What that means is we do sedate the animal, and they do go under anesthesia. I wish that they would just sit in a chair like we do at the dentist, but they don't. And we use the same equipment that the dentists use on our own teeth, which requires some dental scaling, where we actually remove that tartar on the tooth, clean up above the gum line, scale and polish, and that will prevent the plaque from building up as quickly, but will get rid of the tartar and sort of sets their teeth back to new. And it's actually a really good procedure to do before you want to begin brushing, because it sort of takes off all that plaque, and then you can begin brushing after the dental is complete. you are considering a dental procedure for your pet, we are having a Dental Awareness Month, which is November and in February. We are offering a 20% off the procedure, so please give us a call, speak to your veterinarian, and we can get that booked and get you guys in as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for checking out this new video on the Marion Animal Hospital website, and check back for more videos in the future. Good girl, Bonnie.